Så här. Tjena gubben!
Hola amigos, what's happening? I'm back again with a new motovlog. A late night motovlog. Okay, maybe not that late, but later nighter. I like my new setup. I got a cam here, I got a cam here, I got a cam there, I got a cam here. Hopefully I can keep this setup for a while, because I'm only borrowing one of the cameras. I can't afford two. Who do you think I am? Arnold Schwarzenegger? What? Anyway, I also bought a new voice recorder, which is placed here with the external mic. Hopefully the sound is just as good, and hopefully even a bit better than before. I bought another voice recorder first, but that one sucked. Couldn't even hear me. So I'm trying this one now. Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. So I'm heading down to the gym. First day in 4 months. Months. I guess 3 months was okay since I was abroad. I wasn't in Sweden. But this last 1.5 months, I've just been lazy. There's no excuse. I was sick for a couple of days. But hopefully I'm gonna start again now. The motivation is on peak. So next week, or is it 2 weeks? I think it's 2 weeks. We have 2 meets. 1 car meet, the Bimmers of Sweden's meet at Mantorp Park. Only BMWs. That's a 2-day meet, Friday and Saturday, 26th and 27th of May. And then there's the Super Retards Power Meet, 27th of May on Saturday. So I'm gonna try and head to both. Start off on Friday to the Beamer meet. Sadly, I can't bring the Honda inside since I'm gonna take the bike. So I have to park it outside and probably ride in a friend's car to the inside. But then stay the night there in either a tent or maybe in a hotel. Then head up to Västerås to go to the Super Retards Power Meet. I've never been to that one, so I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be fun. See a lot of stunt riders and skilled bike riders. We're gonna see so many people better than me. It's nice. So that was a wind noise test. 120. How was it? I'm actually looking for some people to ride with, because a lot of my friends doesn't have their licenses yet. So most of the time I'm on my own. So if you live nearby Stockholm, in Stockholm or outside of Stockholm, let me know and we'll ride someday. It's way more fun if you're a couple of people, couple of peeps riding together. Who is Ghost Rider? I guess a lot of you guys have seen Ghost Rider, know who he is. At least the guy in leather gear. You always hear a lot of people, because he's apparently from somewhere where I live, like when this place or further north. And you hear so many rumors like, oh, I know who it is. My uncle knows that guy. Yeah. And you never know what's true and what's not, because it's most of the time it's different people. What's this? Vi på Värmdö. The peeps on Värmdö. Yeah, but I think I know his real identity. That's right, Patrick. I know who you are. That guy is fucking crazy. If I would ride like Ghost Rider, I would have died 7 years ago. Even before I started riding. Just thinking of riding like Ghost Rider, I die. I'm trying to get inspiration from other motovloggers, like the big ones, but they always do so much crazy shit. I can't fucking buy a new Ducati Panigale 959, make a video about it. I don't even know where the Ducati store is. Fuck man, how do you get big? I don't wanna crash either. That seems like a good way to get some views. Post a video of you crashing, but I don't wanna crash. Do you guys have another idea of popular videos to make? I don't even know anymore. I wanna find a smaller, or like some kind of motovlog channel that's a bit smaller, and where you can actually relate to the person driving, not someone driving a 2017 super sport bike. I wanna have watch someone driving something like this, a cheap one, a cheap bike, a youngster maybe. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. 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 There we go. Come on. Shimona. I just filmed myself typing in my password. I'm a clever guy. Let's just put a cut here. If you're clever, so you don't post your PIN number on YouTube. I haven't looked yet, but this feels like more than 12 liters. So I guess I'm lucky this time. Let's see. Truth. I was so wrong. 8 liters. Perfect. That's cheap. It's not even a... Okay, 100 crowns. 10 euros. 10 euros for 7 liters of gas. What do you pay back home for gas? For 95 octane 95, I pay 13.92 Swedish crowns. So that's 1.4 euros, 1.5 or something like that. And it always goes up in the summer. Whoa, yeah, buddy. What up, pimps? Is that gonna be my new hello phrase? What up, pimps? You guys wanna see how not to get a ticket? Parking ticket? And I take that with you.